Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in this video I'll be showing you how to create 5 different looks using just a kajal. So the kajal I'll be using in this video is the Lakme Iconic Kajal, and with the help of this kajal I'll create 5 different looks. So if you want to know how I create these 5 looks, then keep on watching. So the first look is the most easiest and the simplest way of applying kajal. I'm sure everybody of you must know this. So I'll be applying the kajal in my lower waterline. So this is look number 1, the simple way to apply kajal. The second look that I'm gonna create is by tightlining my upper eyelids as well. So I will apply the kajal in my upper waterline. So for that I'll lift my upper eyelid gently and apply the kajal. So this gives the illusion of applying a thin eyeliner. So I'm going to repeat the same in my left eye as well. Now coming to the third look, I will use the kajal as an eyeliner. So I'm going to apply the kajal on my upper eyelid. This completes my third eye look, that is applying the kajal as an eyeliner. So the fourth look is a modification to the third look, and for that I'll be creating a winged eyeliner with the kajal. So what I'll do is just create a slight wing. So my fourth look is complete, and this is the winged eyeliner that I've created by using a kajal. So to create the fifth look, I'm going to just darken my lower eyelids with the kajal so that it gives you that dark, intense look. I hope you can see the difference between this eye and this eye. In this I haven't done anything, like I haven't intensified the lower eyelid, and here I have done it. So this makes your eyes look even bigger. So I'm going to repeat the same in this eye again. So if you want, you can keep the look like this, or else you can take a smudger brush and you can smudge the lower eyelid in which you have applied the kajal. So you can just smudge it to get that kohl effect. So in one eye I'm gonna now smudge and show you how it looks. So this gives you a more finished and polished look, and it will also help in making your kajal stay for longer when you smudge it with a smudger brush. But I don't think this will last for a long period of time, and it will smudge, and when you smudge it purposely it looks good and it looks polished and finished. But when it just gets smudged like that, it looks very weird and it does not look good at all. So I would prefer applying the kajal in the lower eyelid and smudging it with a smudger brush. So these were the 5 looks that I created using Kajal. I hope you liked this video and you enjoyed watching it. So if you did like this video, please do give it a big thumbs up, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I shall see you in my next video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.